Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu और आप देख रहे हैं Encyclo Hub. In this video, we will discuss about the question number 1A. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF in the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. So question number 1A, which is identify the usefulness of verbal communication and non-verbal communication in your daily life and explain four differences between them with the help of examples. This question is taken from the lesson 1 and you have to write in the 40 to 60 words. We have prepared all the answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, not for this subject only, we have other subject also. So if you want all the subjects, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. You can tell us about your class, about your subjects, so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.